Welcome back, guys. CryptoFella channel. Let's take a look at the updates for Ethereum Classic targets updates with my custom microset. So, guys, you remember the last video, I guess, about Ethereum Classic I posted here, even in summer zone 45, and that time I marked 27 block still in play because it's a global targets for accumulation zone for this token, and unfortunately, the same chart was for Matic, Polygon, and nobody could even imagine so the pole will drop to 27 block, but it's happening. So here was a consolidation since the first touch of 27 level, June 22, consolidation, rejection. So all levels absolutely relevant. That time I mark the end of cycle for Ethereum Classic can be around $123. The target's still in play. Why? Because from that targets like 2165, it was around 500% gains. I never talk about it to the moon and all of this random stuff, because no, usually I mark the realistic targets, conservative one. Now it's like 1,500, 1,600. So approximately, if we count from this one, yes, 1,600. So it will be even over the 50% less than the previous cycle from the COVID dump, I guess. Here, yes, COVID dump. This token perform around 5,000. So it's gonna be the best option if Ethereum Classic pump to 123 in the near future. When nobody knows, guys, the timing. So we have to work only with the current moment, and don't build our expectation or investing by time, because we can't know what will happen next. This weekend, by the way, Donald Trump maybe start the war. Yes, let's call it the war against the Iran. So it will be not like in Venezuela. No, it's going to be totally different story. And how the markets will react, nobody knows, guys. So let's be, especially the fancy useless tokens like crypto. How low we can drop? Of course, we can go even to sweep the low of November 18. Is it possible? Yes, of course. But this is a low. The next target if we continue going down. So it's a $3.07. From now, it sounds weird. How even possible? So from current price low, we can drop another 63%. But guys, everything possible. And it will be not 63% because to recover back to the break even, if you want to buy now, is going to be 172% down. So unfortunately, guys, yes, it's possible. And this is a zone where we can sweep here. This one, it's a low of December 18. It's kind of mind-blowing because, what's the point in this case of these assets if the assets from 2018, after the 8 years, they are the same price. So what are you working on all this period? What the value of your asset? What the value? Maybe there is no value. So that's the reality, guys, of the crypto. There is no value, the real value of all of these coins. That's why it's just a speculation. That's why ignore all of this noise when someone trying to shield you the fundamental about the tokens. There is no fundamental, nothing. We don't need that tokens. We just can't speculate it. That's why just trade. So focus on the trades. Here's a zone of interest for accumulation. All this range, like 15, 25, $3, it's an accumulation range for long run. With the targets, of course, here 91, 107, 123. So also 100% profit with raw initial deposit. So if you want to buy now $8.35, price drop to $3, you buy the same amount. And the average entry will be, I don't know, 7, for example. At 14, you use raw initial deposit and sleep well. So that's strategy. So you have to build a plan. Now let's take a look, guys, with indicator set. What's going on now? ADZ I can't show you because it's a global ticker crypto. This one, it's not from exchange. That's why it's not available to see. What we can see, guys, here. So this is some type of accumulation. Last time this type of accumulation was here in March 25, but we pump, yes, but not that much like everybody waited. So it was like 104%. So this is a way, this is example. So if now, for example, we in the same condition like it was in the March zone 25, it will be the March zone 26. The same way the whales get the same plan. If you want to accumulate now, after 100%, just withdraw initial deposit and then sleep. Well, sleep without any stress, because if we go to the moon, you get a 50% of the tokens totally for free, making money. If we go to zero, you have nothing to worry about. Done. So direction now in some type of accumulation. Market move, definitely there is a capitulation. So since November 75, it's capitulation. Monthly time frame, it's also capitulation. Here was a capitulation. We pump 100%. Here's a capitulation. So this is a way and how we can use the weekly, monthly time frames for the investing. And the chart, guys, looks absolutely mind-blowing. I have no idea. What's the point? What's the point of this pump and dumps? Line chart. This is maybe this is a realistic one. So if we trade maybe by line chart, maybe the top was here, like 117, not like 175. Maybe it makes sense to cut all noise and trade on the line chart. All right. So anyway, once again, this capitulation zone. So it's more than okay to buy if you want to speculate. I'm not to talk about, oh, buy because this is the next gem. No, it's just a pure speculation. Some money inflow into Ethereum Classic. Monthly, we can track by history. So here, money in November 18. The lowest point was $4. After that, we pump it to April 19. So it was the December 18 of $3.20. In April 19, we finish at $14. After that, of course, COVID dump, and we pump it 1, 2, 3 months in a row with the money outflow. Now, definitely, we close it to the accumulation zone, then the distribution. That's why, of course, it's more than okay to take a risk with this asset if you believe in it. Here's a 1, 2, 3 months accumulation. So this is the same like 3 months of distribution was here. So absolutely, but just inverse chart. So this is a way, guys. That's why now it's more than okay to accumulate the Ethereum Classic if you believe in it. With the targets, 100% profit, withdraw initial deposit. Or if you don't want to withdraw initial deposit, wait the targets. Here the level, take a post, mark the level, add alerts, and track it. So let's add alert, guys, on a monthly time frame. When to out. Money power, money outflow. I highly recommend you just use all of this set, because it's give you a lot of additional information, a lot of signals, where to in, where to out. So monthly time frame, sell, buy back. No signal take profit yet. Good moment. We saw the signal take profit at the end of January. Why it's positive? Because not on the many tokens, we saw the signal take profit from the sale. So we need to stop selling the asset from the last signal to sell was here in December 24. Now finally we see this money back in January, take profit. So we need to stop selling and start looking, or don't touch at least this token, or not short this token. Start looking at the zones to buy. Soon we will see the signal to buy. Let's add alert to signal to buy. And you could track everything in real time if you use this set. Take profit, guys, the last indicator. We dumped it and we now under fundamental value. Last time we traded under fundamental value here. What happened next? You can see on the chart. Take profit line now at this current moment, 25.62. Monthly time frame, even on the monthly time frame, we so underrated. So take profit line now it's 26.23. Daily, I guess we can retest locally. If we talk about a local one, we can retest the buy line again. 790. If we not hold, we will go again to the buy line to fundamental value 586 and maybe even lower. I hope. Even with the conflict or without a conflict, with the war, without a war in Iran, we just jump now to 785, hold the line, and go higher in the March, April, May. 1558. Now the biggest disbelief I ever seen in the market. Even the Bitcoin to zero, the Google trend, the biggest search volume for that keywords. Take profit 1560. On a daily 12, Here we can retest the buy line again and sweep the low of February 6 around 717. So let's add alert to the buy line. So I added 3 alerts in real time in this video. All that alerts, I guess soon we will trigger it, and maybe I will share in the Telegram channel, but maybe not. So I highly recommend you do the same. Just if you use this set, just do the same and just track, no rush, and everything will be okay. So guys, I hope you liked this video. Write please in a comment what you think about ADC. If you'd like to trade with my customer, because I will show in this video, just write me DM. Don't forget, Joe, take him. See you next time, guys.